Create the signs on your own and get new products in no time ready for the trickiest time of the year. Plenty of spooky design templates and professional mockups that you can customize with just a few clicks. First, select a cool design from Placeit's library. From the creature from the Black Lagoon, vampires to, well, all those spooky characters we all want to see this season. All these marvelous designs can be applied just to any product. Mockups can be easily customized with just a few clicks from a browser. Simply select your favorite zombie model, Halloween mugs to pour some hot cocoa or coffee, tote bags for candy, cool t-shirts, or even video mockups. Create as many as you can with different environments, so your customers can get the spooky look and feel. Placeit gives you the power of creating not only new products, but all your promotional assets for your Halloween season. With our incredible social media templates like Facebook cover videos or Instagram story templates, your accounts will look professionally branded. Let me know in the comments if this video was useful for you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Halloween!